Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on TECNO Spark 20p. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Then click on this application and click install. And now click open, and then click agree and continue. Then you can close this ad and click allow. And now click on consent and click on this button to start your VPN and then click OK. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.